Hi, welcome to the market alert for Tuesday, the 22nd of August 2017. So the pound yesterday, very, very quiet. Just about a 50-point range, again, which you can see in the daily chart. You've got a situation where the market is just trading in a range there. So nothing to report on the pound. As I said before, I'd rather have no trade than a losing trade. If the pound's trading sideways, well, that's what it is. And again, just be thankful there's no losing trades when a market is this sideways. So it's not a lot we can do. It's as simple as that. News-wise today, well, not a lot either. And it's Tuesday, of course, as well, where the market's already digested the news from the weekend during Monday's session. And not a lot to report at all. We've got the Jackson Hole Symposium. That's where the market's heading for this week, waiting to see what Yellen's got to say over the 3 days, Thursday, Friday and Saturday there. In the Dow, different picture. We had a short to start things off with yesterday. This went down and hit the scalp level and also then found support down here at the 21,600 level. See the market coming off the lows there. The volume is increased at the support. Market comes off the lows and then we see the market move higher. We had a buy signal, which we see the market moving higher. It had to trade up to the 21,700 level. Just get rid of that. It came within 1 point of doing this, actually 4 points, 21,696, so 4 points away there, and then the market traded sideways and then put in a sell signal, which then switched the position. But as I've said before, when the markets are really quiet and you get a winning trade in the first part of the session, sometimes it's best just to leave things alone. And this is why, because we see the market then move lower. This fails to move lower and then we get a buy signal. So by chasing the market, you have 2 losing trades there and then not enough to actually make it up, when you could have actually just traded the first session, which is where you get all of the activity, as we know, and that's the way it's been for several months now, and then leave the rest alone because it becomes sideways, as we can see there. Let's have a quick look at the implied volatility before concluding. And in the implied volatility, we see this drop yesterday as the market's anxiety about Trump abated slightly. We're down from 1062 to 992, so a bit of a drop there. But again, we've certainly got a lot more up and down in this market at the moment compared to what we've seen over here during June and the end of May there, and also through July. So August certainly seeing things kick up a bit as far as the volatility is concerned. There's definitely something coming this autumn that's going to be not too pleasant on the financial markets. If you look through the news, I'll spare you all of that this morning, but again, you can see that Bannon's spouting all sorts about Trump. You know, it's like a typical thing of once they've bailed out or been fired or whatever, then they speak the truth about how bad things are. There's also a campaign and a bill that's been entered into the House of Representatives or Congress to see if to try and impeach Trump on the basis that he's not mentally well. So they'll try absolutely anything at the moment to get rid of Trump, so the elite and the dark state, as they call it, can remain in control. Right, that will do it for today. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.